Hello guys, so today we will be testing this Qwen3 coder. So it just got released today, July 22nd, and by the end of this video, I will provide you whatever template we created. Suppose you want to create a directory just like what we are going to do. So we know that we have this local directory city prompt. If you want to create a local city directory, this is the exact prompt that you're gonna send to any LLM in VS Code using Qwen. So we're gonna test that with this model right here, and I'm just gonna give you the completed template after this so you can download and use it if you want to create your own directory. Now in this example, we will grab a city from Georgia. So let's take a look at some cities we can grab. So I think Augusta. So this has got the population is 200,000, so I think this will be a great example. So if you want to create a city-based directory, I have some examples of the completed directory. Let me just quickly show you. So one is City of Evansville in Indiana. So as you can see, we've got a beautiful directory right here. We will be listing all the businesses around. So we just started with 5 for this one. So we have all the cafe, the park, the restaurant, and here we've got the nice queue and the popular places. And we will also have articles here. Now, if we take a look at the restaurant list, so we have all the restaurants available in the city of Evansville. We also have the city of Woodbury in Minnesota. So as you can see, we've got a cafe, grocery store, restaurant, park. So we will be adding more businesses such as hotel, malls, groceries, schools, colleges, so things like that. So this is how you're going to do that. You're going to use this prompt. I'm just going to show you quickly. And we will be using this model to complete this directory theme. So we're going to grab a copy, open a blank notepad and paste that right there. And you will just quickly fill in the information right here. So as I mentioned earlier, we will be doing for City of Augusta in Georgia. So our directory name will be just like that. So you can append the model that you want to use, Qwen3 coder. So if you want to change the model, you can do that. The site title, we will just have City of Augusta, Georgia. So just like that. Post key, we will have it as just business. And sorry, the custom taxonomy will be business because we will categorize based on the type of business. And here we will just simply type listing, okay? Theme name, you can just usually have it same as the folder name. Site city, it's Augusta. State name, it's Georgia. So this is just for the AI to compose the FAQ section, and the country will be USA. And that's it. That's all you need to create the directory. Now, we will set up a local WordPress so that we can vibe code this. So to do that, you can download this local WP and you can set up your local WordPress. So let's do that real quick. So here we will say City of Augusta, continue, and then just type in your admin credentials. And here, once the installation is completed, just make sure to toggle this one-click admin. So when you click this, it goes directly to your dashboard. Now, go back to local WP, click this VS Code, and you will see right here, these are all the files you need, your WordPress to run. And here we will be creating the custom theme inside this WP content and then themes folder. So we will open this Qwen extension. And from here, we will be using Open Router and make sure to select the new model, which is the Qwen coder. So you can see right here, the Qwen3 coder, that's the new model available in Open Router, and it's costing us 5 million token output. But don't worry guys, this prompt won't cost you more than $1. From what I observed, even when I'm using Sonnet 4, it's just $1. And comparing the price of Sonnet 4, that's $15 per million output. So we're gonna grab this prompt that we just configured. So you just copy everything until here and going back to our Qwen. So just paste it right there and run this, and we're good to go. Now let's wait for the output. And as you can see right here, Qwen3 coder completed our request. Well, it hit a little bit, costing us 1.33. All right, so well, let's see if it's worth it. We're 1.33 using this model. I think it's not optimized because using Sonnet 4, we can create this entire directory just for 0.8 or 0.9. But this one, it exceeded $1 and costing us 1.33. But anyway, we will see if it's worth. But going back to here, let's open the site. Open the admin first because we have to activate the themes. Go to themes and activate the City of Augusta. Now we have that. Guys, please watch this because you have to carefully follow these plugins in order for this directory to run correctly. So for plugins, just install. So I'm just going to add few plugins. First one is Advanced Custom Fields. So install and activate this plugin. And once it's activated, go to this one, ACF Field Groups, and you will see the sync available. And just import the custom fields that we created. Now, the second plugin is the listing importer. So this is a custom plugin that I developed using Vibe Coding 2 to upload our listing easily. So let me just browse that. It's available in the description below if you want to use this. So this is how you're gonna port your listing. So click install and activate the plugin. Now to see our directory, we will need to upload businesses. So to quickly do that, since I'm gotta use GIFA scraper. So our directory should appear like this. So we will just grab initially the restaurant and park, just 3 businesses for now. Come back here. So restaurant and cafe and park. Maybe let's include school. And the country is United States. So here we will be going to Georgia. And if you want a specific city, which in our case it's Augusta, so type it exactly here. So you can see right there, I typed the city name. And for this example, we'll just grab 100 listings. So it will be total of these 4 categories right here. But of course, there are more businesses in Augusta, but it's just an example. So we will just grabbing the 100 listings. So click get business data. So now it's completed. Let's download this. So this is in CSV format. As you can see here, we have all the category right here. So we've got the restaurant, park, school. So what you just need to do here is save this as XLSX to be able to upload our listing. So let's do the save as. So right here, just select this extension, XLSX, and just name it like Augusta and save this. All right, once it's saved, go back to here, click Tools, and then here in the XLSX importer, we're gonna upload that Excel file and click Upload and Parse File. Now select Listings, click Load Fields, and here we just gotta map the content, which is the attributes. In our case, it's attribute. If you use this custom prompt, the featured image, we will have it as main image, all right? And the advanced custom field section, you don't have to do anything. They're mapped by default. What you need to do is this taxonomy mapping, which is very simple. Click this and map it category column and just select the business category. That's it. And start importing. So you can see it's importing the 100 listings that we just scraped. Let's wait for a few moments. And there you go. Our 100 listings have been successfully imported. It's time now to check our directory. And as you can see here, this would be our hero section. It's not in full width, but that's fine. And we have the select business near Augusta. We have all the cafe, park, school. So you can add this accordingly. So you can add a hotel, grocery, just do the same import as we did. Suppose you're going to scrape new businesses categories right here. And this is how the FAQ is displayed and popular places. So look at this. It's decent. Well, yeah, it's actually looking nice. So when we take one of the listing, this is how it's going to display the listing. So this is the name of that business and it's under restaurant in Augusta. So this is your keyword right there. And this is how it displays the featured image. We have all the information right here. Look at the available services, opening hours, and the address. It has a website and it will be listed right here. So check other restaurant in Augusta. So you can see right here. You can also view via... So when you check one of the category right here, let's say park, there is a problem viewing the taxonomy state, but that's fine. We can easily fix that. So let me show you how you can do that in this one. So you just mentioned, because that is, so when you browse the category, so it is this one, the taxonomy business. So you just ask the Qwen3 coder to fix that. So I'm just going to say the taxonomy business is not displaying the data. Well, for some reason, it still have some issue with the template. So yeah, I think I'll fix that with some other model, but looking at the Qwen3 code, it's still, it won't surpass the knowledge of how Sonnet 4 created our directory. Still, Sonnet 4 really go to when creating such complex application and following complex instruction like this custom prompt right here. Although it did a good job in the homepage and displaying the listings, so yeah, it's pretty decent. So look at this, it's okay. Unfortunately, it didn't do well in displaying some of the, sorry to disappoint you guys, but yeah, about it, we'll be trying more models, and if it's successful, I will always provide you the link to the template so you can use it too. Thank you, and see you in the next one.